Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and create your own AI avatar using Google Gemini. So let's get started. So start by opening the Gemini app on your mobile device or visiting Gemini in your web browser. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. And once you're on the main chat screen, you're going to click the plus button near the message box. From the available options, you're going to select more uploads. Next, choose avatar from the menu. You will be redirected to the avatar setup page, so click Get Started or Try Now to continue. There is also another way to access this feature. Click the settings or gear icon and look for the avatar option in the settings menu. Selecting it will take you to the same avatar creation screen. Click Try Now to begin the setup process. A QR code will appear on your screen, so use your smartphone or tablet to scan the QR code, and after scanning, follow the instructions displayed on your device to capture your facial expressions and record your voice. Complete all requested recordings and wait for Gemini to process your information. Once the avatar has been generated, return to your computer and select Use Avatar. And your AI avatar is now ready to use. This feature creates a digital version of you that can be used in AI-generated content, helping produce more personalized videos and interactions.